All right, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Happy Thursday. Hopefully, everybody is doing well. We do have a little bit of news here yet to hit in about 5 minutes. Um, I did take one little scalp trade here, so I'll just show you guys the executions on that. Nothing too crazy. I just did one contract on this short here, this fair value gap, and literally it was just a scalp down to these lows. Once we took out these lows, closed it. I think it was like a $600 trade. Reset the 150K combine. We'll see. Might take a trade on the express funded today, just depending on what kind of a setup we get. But we'll see. As far as where we're at in price absolutely ripped and took out what was the all-time high. So we'd already taken out the all-time high yesterday on ES, and we got the all-time high here. Let me turn this down a little bit. All-time high here on NQ taken out this morning. We didn't form any SMT though at the highs, so there wasn't any like clear manipulation, I guess. So toggling over here to ES, you can see that there's no bearish SMT with the highs. But pretty nice displacement down. Looking at the weekly candle here. Oops, wrong chart. Weekly candle here, this is what we look like. So, I mean, I think today is going to be a pretty big indicator on whether or not we have like a bearish close to the week or if we end up pushing higher. So, I mean, my assumption would be that if today can close above the old high, that I would expect price to just continue rallying. But obviously right now so far we've swept the high and coming right back into the range. We've been in this range for a while. I do see this is of interest to me, this 5-minute gap right here. This gap is of interest to me. I mean, if we're bearish, I mean, I would expect this to hold. However, I don't necessarily trust it enough to just enter right away. And if anything, if this were to get inversed, be open to flipping my bias to going long. All right, so guys, I'm just staying patient here. Like we're in between two PD arrays right now. We're in between a bullish PD array with bullish SMT. At the same time, we're trading into this 5-minute bearish fair value gap, bearish order block here that took the all-time high. So I'm just waiting, man. I don't have clear idea which way we're going to go from here just yet. I've been toggling back over to ES, just kind of watch it and see what it's doing. It's traded up a little bit higher, obviously, than NQ so far. A little bit stronger. And I wouldn't be opposed to potentially shorting this if we inverse this 1-minute gap. Obviously, we'll see if we get a trade opportunity from there. Once we inverse, we just rolled over into a new 1-minute candle. I need to see a better close on this, though. This is not good enough. That's not good enough for me. That's weak. I'm probably going to market execute. What I'll do here is if we get a decent close, like down in here, inverse this gap, I might hop in with one initially, and then if we pull back into the gap, add the second. Okay? Okay, so I'm in with one right now. If we get a pullback up in here, I'm going to add the second. A little push up. Okay. Added the second. Put my buy stop up here. Officially, my risk for the trade is 720, still less than 0.5%. Perfect trade in the wrong direction. All right, stop. All right, reclaim this gap now. Sick. Didn't get a change in the state of delivery, though. Why would we want to do that? That'd be a little too easy, wouldn't it? All right, guys. I'm going to flip long. Buy limit, 1-minute fair value gap. Keep coming. A little bit more. A little bit more. A wee bit more. Just a wee bit. Just a wee bit. Oh! Come on now. Come on now. There we go. All right, guys. We're in here. 5-minute inverse gap. 5-minute order block. Obviously, lower time frame imbalances as well. Let's see this thing rip. But yeah, if it loses, man, I'm just gonna be done for the morning, bro. Because this shit is gonna be choppy AF. Like, look at this shit, bro. I'm not gonna keep trying to force trades. Okay, fuck me, I guess. Don't fucking matter what PD array you fucking use. You're just fucked, dude. ICT must be getting his fucking ass raped in the Robbins Cup. I hope he fucking is. I hope he pays Patrick Whalen 500 grand and fucking kills himself. I'm kidding. Holy fuck, dude. Give me a break, bro. It doesn't even matter. I'm not gonna take more than 2 losses on this per day. If anything, I'll take a third trade on the Express because I haven't traded in like 3 weeks, and I'm probably gonna get me inactivity on it here soon. So, if anything, I might soup this. Well, let's see what we get here, folks. I'm gonna go long right now with 1 contract only because I'm not above the buffer. Trade, sell, stop. Take it if you want, man. I don't know. This is pretty not my favorite conditions in the world, but we'll see if I take a L here or not. I'm only risking 290, so Express. I think I'd be maybe a smidgen under 2K if this loses on this Express. So, but yeah, 0-2 on the combine on the session with you guys. 1-0 before the session. 0-2 on the session. And this is just I'm viewing this as turtle soup. With SMT at the low. And oh, I don't like that. I changed my mind, guys. I'm getting out. I don't like these lows on ES here. So, good decision to close that trade out. This is what I'm talking about, too. Like, so SMT at this low here, right, is what was here. And then we run this low again. And then what do we do again? Oh, new SMT. Again. And I just fucking hate that. And what do we do right away afterward? Create bearish SMT. Yeah, you know, looking at like this week, no news Monday, no news Tuesday because it's medium impact. Yesterday's FOMC. Like, I was thinking Thursday, and then we got Powell tomorrow. So I'm thinking Thursday today was like, Thursday's the day. Thursday's the day. So far, it ain't been the day. Oh, God. So a little change in the state of delivery there. I think I'll do it. I'm going to keep it light. 1 contract. And I'm going to put my stop loss below the CISD order block that was just created. I hope my stop loss isn't too tight. I mean, I just would like to see, like, I don't want to see this fucking 90% retracement all the way down into like here. I want to see the first couple PD arrays hold. Kind of that classic, you know, ICT saying, which is if 3 PD arrays fail, your ass is next. Have you guys ever heard him say that? And to me, this would just be too many PD arrays failing to go below here. Inverse gaps here, bullish gaps here, order block, breaker block here. So, yeah, that's just a little bit too many things failing for me to put my stop all the way down here. Oh, I'm tagged in. Oh, what the? Why would you do something like that? I'll draw every fucking gap on this bitch if that's what it takes. You turn around. Fucking turn your ass around. I've had a fucking up to here now. Turn around. You fucking knock it off. Fucking serious. I've had enough of your shit. Go. Get the fuck out of here. 5-minute gap on ES as well. Or BPR, technically. You guys see what this thing just tried to do to me? Oh my god, I had to give this thing a stern talking to. This fucking thing was just acting up. It's time NQ fucking got some act right. You know what I'm saying? Please, nobody bomb the White House right now. New hour, macro. Let's go. Come on. Come on, baby. Another little LRLR forming here, huh, folks? Don't you fucking dare. Just because I started acting nice. You want to get grounded, mister? You fucker. You get your ass back up there if you know what's good for you. Oh, no. 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 Oh, my God. This has to be what it feels like when your kid fucking dyes their hair blue. You're just like, no. And they do it anyway. Holy fuck. Can you guys believe it? I'm sure you guys like, yeah, Tyler, all you do is fucking lose. Of course we can believe it. Touche. Holy fuck. Unreal. Unreal. And I'm getting off, all right? I'm getting off. Not in the good way either. Not in the good way. Unfortunately not. Quite the opposite, actually. So, enjoy your guys' Thursday. I don't know when, but what I do know is eventually we're going to come back with a vengeance. All right? It's not going to rain forever. Okay? The sun will shine again. Okay? We're going to get it back. Okay? And we're going to come out better for it. All right? Fuck yeah. It's the attitude I like to hear, guys. Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. Oh, team. All right. Enjoy your guys' Thursday, and I will talk to you guys later in the Discord if anything seems to be a little bit clearer after lunch. All right? In the meantime, go do something productive. Go to the gym. Make love to your wife. Whatever you got to do. All right? But I wish you guys a good day, and I'll talk to you guys here in a little bit.